guys to a new video. Today we had a race, the first official race from the season. We have now 13 of the 15 birds at home. When I did a live stream on my Dutch channel, when that one is ready I will edit it and I will show you the results, but it will take a few days, so you will get it later. The first bird that we got was the 912. She came home after a year because she was lost during the young bird races for last year. So I think she's at home now for 1 month, and at this point she flew today. She's now standing around 166th in the department against 18,307 birds, so that's really great. She's also 11th in the club against 774 birds, so we'll see how that's gonna end. This hen was my first bird today. She is a youngster from this pair. No, not this pair, another pair. Let's see where the hen is. This hen 176, and the male bird that I lost this year because of the bird of prey. So yeah, this one, the 970, is that one. He was my second bird. It was a tough race, I think. The bird didn't came that quick as last two training races, so yeah, they had some more time needed to get home. But at this point we have 13 home from the 15. We're still missing the male bird from this one, and a hen, his nest mate, so she will come home, I think, I hope. At this point we have the young birds outside, so we're gonna check on how they're training. So we cleaned the young bird loft. Only this we let to dry up. We're also gonna call in the young birds and gonna feed them. Then we're also gonna feed the old birds. So that's what we're gonna do now. Go. So the young birds don't want to come in, so then not, I think. We're gonna separate the hens from the male birds, and then we're gonna feed the old birds. So that's what we're gonna do next. We just leave them for a few hours together, So now it's time to separate them again. So that's what we're gonna do. This one was my first 912. At this point he's 166th in the department against 18,307 birds. She also at this point is 38 against 6,653 birds in our district. So that's a great result for the first race of the season. This one is from my oldest hen that I have, the 176. Her father is probably dead, I think because of the bird of prey, because he didn't came home from a training around the loft, so that's unfortunately. But yeah, we also have her nest mate, that's the 911. We also have her, so we will see what these birds can do this year. So we separate the hens from the male birds, and now it's time to feed them. We're still missing one male bird and one hen, so we got 13 out of 15 back at home. So I hope they will come home, maybe tomorrow, we will see. Today we're gonna feed the birds the gabi van den aardbei, the mixture from bias, and also we're gonna give this Cedrical Plus over the food and the BS from Belgica the weird. It's only one day on the day that they get home. Here you can read what it does. But also for this one as well. So that's what I'm gonna give today. Okay, that's also an old bird from the race. So we're gonna need one more, and then we have them all at home. Okay. Okay. So we feed the old birds. Also, the last male bird is inside, so we only need one more female, and then we have all the old birds back. We also feed the hens. There's something left the next morning, and also the young birds are finally coming back inside. So when most of them are back inside, we're gonna feed them, and then we are done for the day. Okay. They also took a bed, so we don't have to do that tomorrow. So that's fine. The youngsters also are training good, most of them. A few keep staying on the rooftop, but there are some different ages, so it will be fine in a few weeks, and everybody will train. And then in the next month, in May, we will start basketing them for some training flights. We're gonna start on 10 and 10, so we continuing a little bit further away, but you are all gonna see that in the videos. So gonna try if the birds want to come back inside, and otherwise I'm gonna feed this part that's back inside, and then the other ones, they gonna get a little bit less. So that's what we're gonna do. So guys, in a few days I will put the video online about the arrivals from today, but I have to download the live stream and then to edit that into a video, so it will take a few days before I can do that. So I hope you like this video. We made some great results today, and I hope next week it will going a little bit faster, maybe in the top 100 of the department. So we will see. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. I'll subscribe to my channel, you can do it down below. I would appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.